Various serious symptoms can occur if the body does not receive enough iron. Fatigue. The most common iron deficiency symptom is anemia, which is accompanied by symptoms such as dizziness, shortness of breath, and cold hands and feet. These occur because the body's ability to transport oxygen is significantly reduced due to a lack of iron, which directly leads to fatigue and exhaustion. In particular, people often feel tired continuously despite having enough rest or feel worn out daily due to a lack of energy. Iron is an essential component of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Without it, cells cannot produce sufficient amount of hemoglobin, which in turn reduces the ability of red blood cells to transport oxygen. Not all cells in the body function their best, as red blood cells do not provide enough oxygen to tissues and organs, decreasing the body's overall conditions. Oxygen is a very important raw material for generating energy in cells. When the amount of oxygen transported due to an iron deficiency decreased, the cell's energy plant cannot function well. It also makes you feel overall solid energy deficiency and physical fatigue, lack of energy, and oxygen that is not produced quickly, exhausts the muscle organs, and lowers their functions. Extreme iron deficiency also reduces the amount of oxygen supplied to the brain, which can lead to cognitive decline and decreased concentration. Scientists have studied the effect of iron on fatigue through meta-analysis and various measurements of fatigue. It is recommended to take iron-rich foods or supplements to improve these symptoms. Number 2. Skin hairs. As mentioned earlier, iron deficiency leads to a lack of oxygen carried in the blood. The deficiency causes skin hairs problems because not enough iron reduces ability of the blood to transport, preventing sufficient oxygen from reaching body tissues, including the skin. The skin becomes pale when the number of red blood cells in the blood decreases due to an iron deficiency. Red blood cells make the blood red and give the skin a healthy pink glow, so a lack of it can make the skin pale and dull. If the face, gums, and underneath the nails turn pale, we can expect an iron deficiency so well. In addition, deficiency can cause the skin to dry out and crack as the oxygen and nutrient needed to maintain moisturization decrease. In particular, it can easily crack around the palms, sore, and lips. Wound healing, considered the most important factor in survival, also has its problems. Iron deficiency can hinder the formation of new cells and delay wound recovery. This slows recovery and increases the risk of infection when the skin is damaged. It can also affect hair health, causing hair loss. Hair follicles require enough oxygen and nutrient to grow and maintain, so a lack of iron can make your hair thinner and quickly lose weight. Nails can easily break and turn white, and turn dark or bluish if blood circulation under your skin is not smooth. Headache. The lack of oxygen to the tissues is no exception for the brain, our body's most critical control tower. Because the brain consumes more oxygen than other tissues in the body, a lack of it directly affects brain function and causes headache. The brain expands blood vessels to increase blood flow to compensate for oxygen deficiency, which can cause headaches. As blood vessels in the brain expand, the headaches can occur by compressing surrounding tissues. Fatigue and headaches often come together and can worsen when the body is tired. Physical stress and anxiety caused by an iron deficiency can cause headaches too. If the body does not receive enough oxygen and nutrient, the stress response increases, which can cause headaches. An iron deficiency can also cause hypotension. Low blood pressure can cause headaches because it does not provide enough blood to the brain. In particular, orthostatic hypotension, a phenomenon in which blood pressure drops sharply when standing up, can be accompanied by headaches and dizziness. The dizziness, which feels dizzy during sudden changes in body position, can be understood in this context. Lack of oxygen supply can reduce brain function thereby reducing concentration and reducing learning ability due to short-term memory loss. Iron deficiency can significantly impact your daily life. Even minor activities can leave you breathless, and you may experience your heart racing or beating irregularly. This can lead to a decline in overall health, with symptoms such as loss of appetite or, in severe case, pica, a condition where one craves and eats non-food substance like soil or ice. The oral cavity can also be affected, leading to painful ulcer or swelling. Additionally, symptoms such as lower extremity anxiety syndrome can manifest in the legs, further disrupting your daily activities.